So, ito naman yung last problem natin for queuing theory, which is MM1N. So, Speedy Pizza Delivery 7. Maria has introduced a system limit. No more than 5 pizzas can be in the delivery system at once. So, including the one being delivered. If a new order arrives, when the system is full, it's turned away. She wants to understand how this impacts her delivery performance. So, she wants to know what is the blocking probability, what is the effective arrival rate, what is the average number of pizzas in the system, yun yung X. So, what is the average time a pizza spends in the system, yun yung Y. So, ito naman yung data table natin. Ang given lang is yung M, N, X, Y. So, di ba yung sa tatlong model, ang given natin doon is always M, lambda, and mu. So, dito is hahanapin natin yung lambda and mu naman. So, yung 4M is 1, N is 5. Ito yung maximum number of pizzas in system. Ito yung pinaka-max lang dapat. So, yung X naman, average number of pizzas in system is 100. Average time a pizza spends in system is 7. So, next is Speedy Pizza Delivery 8. Maria now wants to calculate the cost per shift considering only accepted pizza in the system. She wants to know what is the total cost per shift. So, ito yung mga given. CS is 10, CW is 12, and H is 6 hours. So, yun yung working hours per shift. So, next slide is isa-solve na natin. So, for our final model, model 4, ito na. So, dito is hindi given yung lambda and mu. But, ang given lang natin is yung ito. M, X, Y, and N. So, para makuha muna natin yung lambda, 1 over X is equals to 1 over 100 is equal to 0.01. So, next is yung mu, 1 over Y, which is 1 over 7, 0.14. So, yon. After natin makuha yon, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa P sub O. Para makuha yan is yung M, which is 1, N, which is 5, lambda, which is 0.01, and mu, which is 0.14. So, yan. Titignan lang ulit natin yan yung sa table. So, ipipresent ko na lang din dito yon. Ipe-paste ko na lang yon. So, ang nakuha natin is yung 0.6737. So, after natin makuha yon, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa LQ, which is, ang formula is N minus lambda plus mu over lambda plus times 1 minus P sub O. So, yon, N 5 minus 0.01 plus 0.14 over 0.01 times 1 minus 6737. So, yon, ang nakuha nating sagot is 0.1055. So, after nun is L naman, LQ plus lambda over mu, which is 0.1055 plus 0.01 over 0.14. So, ang nakuha nating sagot is 0.18. So, next naman is yung WQ. So, ang gagamitin natin dito is LQ over N minus L times lambda. So, LQ natin is 0.1 tama, yon, over 5 minus 0.18, and nakuha natin is 3.73. So, WQ naman, sa W naman, WQ plus 1 over mu, which is 3.73 plus 1 over 0.14. So, ang nakuha natin dyan is 10.87. So, next nyan is itong R. N minus L times lambda. 5 minus 0.18 times 0.01. Nakuha natin is 0.05. So, sa P naman, yung probability is R over mu, which is 0.05 over 0.14. So, ang nakuha natin dyan is 0.36. Yan. So, after nun, kagaya lang ng model 1 to 3, kukuha natin yung cost naman. So, ang given ulit is service cost, waiting cost, and per hour. So, ang kukunin natin is total service cost per hour, which is M times CS. So, 1 times 10 is equals to 10. Lalagay natin dito. So, yun naman, TS per hour times 6 is equals to 60. Lalagay lang din natin dito. So, TW per hour naman, which is CW times L. So, yung L natin, di ba, is 0.18. So, 0.1055 times 12 is equals to 1.266. Then, next is 1.266 times 6 is equals to 7.596. Yon. So, yon. Nakuha natin yung 4. Lilista na dito. Tapos, total cost naman. Then, para makuha yon, total service cost per hour plus total waiting cost per hour. Yon. Edi 11.266, then 67.596 yon. So, yon. After nun, finish na. Nakuha na natin ang mga value. So, that's all.